Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is my first video of the year. Happy New Year. How are you guys doing? How is 2022 treating you guys? Mine has been a little bit of 1 minute I'm like yay, the next minute I'm like so, but that's life, you know. Being an adult is not easy and all that, but we thank the Lord for, you know, ushering us into this new year, because there are a lot of people that didn't make it into this year. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. So I just came back a few minutes ago. I'm about to start making dinner. Today we are making wraps. It's almost like shawarma, but it's not shawarma. This is the chicken. I cut it into smaller pieces and then seasoned it. So it's been marinating in the fridge for like 2 hours. I just brought it out because it's time to use it. Then this is the flat bread. This is the wrap. I'm going to like add in all the vegetables. This is carrots. I bought it like a few minutes ago. This one, I went to the supermarket to get salad cream. I've never used this brand before. I usually just get Bama mayonnaise or hence salad cream, but I saw this one and it looked okay to me, so I decided to try it. So I got this for 800 naira. Then here I have this cabbage. I know we cannot finish this cabbage, but the woman told me 300, but I insisted on 200, so she sold it to me and it looks okay. So then this lettuce, I kept moving up and down the market to find lettuce, but I couldn't get. So a lot of them said they don't like buying lettuce because they don't sell it immediately and it ends up spoiling in their shop, so they don't like buying the lettuce. It's like they're wasting their money. So but this is only this woman that had lettuce, so I got this for 300 naira. This nothing, but I understand that she's the only one that had the morale to like buy lettuce, and the ones I saw there, some of them are already yellow, and she said it's yesterday they brought it in from the market. So I'll start with washing and slicing the vegetables, and then I'll show you guys the process, but yeah, let's make dinner. Go back from the market. I'm about to start meal prepping for the month. I usually do weekly meal prep, but I started monthly meal prep and it's so efficient for me. Like, it works really well for me, so I decided to switch to preparing our meals like monthly. So now I'm about to make 3 soups and 1 stew. For the stew, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to meet up like making it today, but I'm definitely going to cook the soup today because the vegetables I bought, guys, the way Hamatan destroys vegetable these days is just appalling. Today I was looking for oha, like oha was so scarce, and then like the people that normally sell the oha, they said they no longer sell it like that because the Hamatan destroys their crops and they always end up making loss. So I just bought a few of the ones I could like sort out, because the ones that were even selling were somehow, why is this person not listening? because the ones that were even selling were somehow. So let me do a little haul for you guys. Everything is super costly as usual. This is Nigeria. So down here I have the vegetables. Can you guys believe that this tomatoes is 2,000 naira? Like, the basket is not even full and this is 2,000 naira. The lady told me one two each, so I priced that 1,000 and she agreed. So this is 2,000 naira tomatoes. These ones are vegetables. I got different types of vegetables because I want to make oha soup, vegetable soup, and egusi soup. So I have ugu, water leaf, and oziza here. Yeah, they are tied in different nylon because it was different vendors that sold it to me, because I needed them to be fast because I usually slice my vegetables in the market, so I had to buy from different people. But like, these are the vegetables. This is the dry fish, smoked fish. Yeah, this is smoked fish. I bought some yellow peppers because I like the scent of this Cameroon pepper, so I bought some. I'm going to like split it up and add it in small quantity in all the meals I want to make. And this is ogiri, which I'm going to use for the oha soup. I got this for 200 naira. Then this is the cocoyam flour that I always buy. I always buy from the supermarket. I can't remember how much I bought, but this is a really good brand. Like, I've been using it since I discovered them last year. I've been using this anytime I want to make any soup that I need to add cocoyam to. So this is it. Then this, oh my god, can you believe that this is a 500 naira onions? You know, onions that Aboki people used to carry in the barrel. If you tell them to give you onions, they'll pack plenty for you. Now these days onions is now very costly. This small thing you're seeing right now is 500 naira. Like, it's not even up to 10. I'm busy up to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it's up to 10. It's 10 actually. So this is 500 naira, but the sizes are quite big, but damn, it's still really costly. Then over here I bought 2 painters of gari. Gari is now 1,000 naira per painter. Well, for yellow gari, I usually buy yellow gari, but white gari is 900 naira per painter. For yellow gari is 1,000 naira. So I bought 2 painters. Then here I have crayfish. I usually buy 1 painter of crayfish and then I blend it and store it in my kitchen. So this is 1 painter of crayfish. I got it for 4,100 naira. I didn't know there were 2 types of crayfish in the market. There's this one which I bought, and there's another one. They say that the other one is sweeter, but why I didn't buy it is that it has a lot of dirt in it. Like, you literally need to pick it one like the way you pick beans. You literally need to pick it one to remove the dirt. It had a lot of dirt on it, but they say it's sweeter. But I'm like, number one, I don't have strength and time to start picking crayfish, so I just generally bought this one. This one is even costlier than that one that has dirt inside. I've forgotten the name they told me. I've really forgotten the name. But yeah, I got this one for 4,001. Their normal price, they say it's 4,002, but I got it for 4,001. The one that is dirty, the other version that is dirty, the dirty crayfish, they sell it 4,000. So I'm like, why is it not 100 naira difference? So I just decided to buy this one. Plus it's very dry already. Like, I don't need to sun dry it before blending it. Once I bring the light, I'll blend it and then I store it. It usually lasts for me. Then this one is, this is the egusi. I told you guys I'm making 3 soup. I'm making oha soup, egusi soup, and vegetable soup. So this is the egusi. This egusi goes for 1,250. Yeah, a cup of egusi is now 250. So this is the egusi, and then this is that white thing that is in making egusi. I've forgotten the name. I never had to make egusi. So when I reach the market, I always tell them, once I price them for the egusi, I will tell them to add that white thing. I just call it that white thing. I don't know the name for the white thing. So, but they always understand the white thing I'm talking about. So then over here I bought this brand of bean flour. No, it's not this type we've been using. The other type we've been using, I can't find it. So, and then the one I bought last month, I didn't really like it. That one, it has a lot of black things. Like, I don't think they removed the back of the beans before like grinding it. There's this lady that used to supply beans powder to me, but she moved to another state, so it's been really hard her own. Like, she does it so well. She removes the back and she grinds her own, like, you to be very smooth. You don't even need to use blender to, you know, blend it again while making it. But this day, the other one I bought, I didn't like it, so I decided to switch to this brand. I hope I like it. I don't know, but I just bought it because we need bean flour. And then here I got Morning Fresh. Guys, for some reason this Morning Fresh lasts in this house, which is weird. Like, every other dishwashing liquid we've ever used, it's always finishing before time. So, but the one I bought last month, the Morning Fresh, this one I bought last month, is still remaining. And well, it's going to stay till like at least 1 week into the next month. And I'm like, okay, because I really like, you know, Morning Fresh is usually very thick. So, and then I used to add a little water so that it will not overfoam. But still, if you add this thing too much in the water, you keep rinsing your plates. I just like their products, whatever it is they add that makes it foam a lot. Kudos to them. Then I got toothpaste and Snickers. Then I also bought sugar. I usually buy 2 types of sugar. Like, I always buy the granulated sugar and the cubes. So it depends on what I need to use it for. But most times I use the powdered sugar for baking. So that's basically everything I bought though. Okay, I also bought what? So that's basically everything I bought. Now it's time to start the work. Well, thank God, majority of the work is done. I just need to, all the vegetables that I cut in the market, I just need to start washing them now. Once I'm done washing them, like, that's even where the major work is. Once I'm done washing them, to be easier for me to cook. And then I need to pick the oha. You know, there's a way you pick oha so that it will not be bitter. So I need to wash the vegetables to remove the sand and all that. That one will take a while. And then I also need to pick the oha. I think I'll just leave these tomatoes tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. I can make stew tomorrow, but the soup, I need to make all the soup today and put them in the freezer so that the vegetables won't like get bad. So yeah, guys, I'm about to start work. So that's it, guys. It's time to work.